This is the Horseshoe Solar Farm, a renewable energy project transforming sunlight into power for thousands of homes and businesses. Located in Utah, Horseshoe Solar is part of a growing network of large-scale renewable energy facilities developed by DESRI. This site helps power Meta's data centers. From above, you can see the precision in its layout. Hundreds of rows of photovoltaic panels are positioned to capture the maximum amount of sunlight each day, converting it into reliable, sustainable electricity. Captured by EA Skyworks, this aerial documentation highlights the scale, precision, and impact of renewable energy in action. This is the Horseshoe Solar Farm built for today and for the decades ahead.